What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. Okay, and that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at the 24 hours market performance, which again, guys, everybody that is expecting Bitcoin back to the depths of abyss, they have a big surprise coming. Anyways, 24 hours market performance, we're going to look at that. Then we'll look at the prices in a little bit more details. And after that, we will check our positions. Basically my positions, and you can compare with yours to see if you are going up, down, left, however it is performing. Which again, guys, is very important. As a trader, is very, very important. Make this a habit. I can't stress it a lot. I can't stress it enough. You have to make this a habit. You have to look at the market 2, 3, 4 times a day. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you are a day whether you're a day trader or not. You have to look at the market every day, 2, 3 times, or even 4. Okay, anyways, but before we get to that, guys, 48 hours, Bitcoin is about to do a drastic move in 48 hours, and once it does that, you best believe that the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey 2024-2025, the coins that we are trading in this 2024-2025, which are King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine, you best believe that these coins are about to take off with Bitcoin. Okay, we've been waiting for this for a while. Like I said, guys, it's just been a waiting game. Whenever October is green, whenever September is green, October usually start bad. Okay, once it start bad, maybe 2.5 weeks, 2 weeks, something like that tops, it starts bad, and prices usually go to like the fourth gear. This year is even better because we have a lot of catalysts. We have the US election, we have the jobless claim coming up, we have the FMOC coming up. There's a lot of things, right? There's a lot of things. That's why I told you guys, yes, they're going to pump Bitcoin. This run, they're going to pump Bitcoin. We probably see $150,000 Bitcoin. They're going to pump it. But the fall, the bear market that is coming after this is going to be brutal. It's going to fall off the cliff. Like a lot of people, many analysts are talking about, yeah, we might see a double top, like you know how Bitcoin did the last time. It went up, came down, then tried to go up again before it dropped off the cliff. That's what a lot of people are expecting. But excuse me, if you ask me, in my humble opinion, I don't think that's gonna be the case. But anyways, we're gonna see. I think Bitcoin is gonna go up to 150,000, 140, 150 if they push it. If they push it, probably 160, and then it's gonna drop like a rock. You're going to see it. But anyways, guys, this is just right now. We are still in the bull run, and the bull run is just kicking to the fourth gear. We haven't entered that banana zone yet. To me, I think it's gonna be the fourth gear. You know, the euphoria about the elections, euphoria about all that stuff, about jobless claims. You're going to see all that stuff. It's going to like push the Bitcoin up. Right now we're looking at probably $80,000 to $100,000 Bitcoin. Then it's going to cool off a little bit, and then the banana zone will come in. And the banana zone, guys, you are not going to get that parabolic move until the rate cuts goes to zero. I said it in one of my videos. It doesn't work immediately. It doesn't work like that. People don't read it. It doesn't work. It doesn't work like, okay, rate cut starts and boom, there you go, Bitcoin to 150,000. No, it doesn't work like that. There is a lot of people with a lot of money, okay, who can still make a lot of profits, even though the rate cut are still like 25%. They can still make a lot of money, and that most of that big money, they are going to keep their money into the bonds, into the stock exchanges, you name it, to try to grab everything they can until the last minute. Because guess what? Once the government flips that script, okay, we are going to get into a recession. Stock market is going to go down. Not down. The prices are going to drop, and everything is going to be chaos. Okay, that's the way the government controls the economy. Trust me, that's what is going to happen. And after some time, they're going to flip the script again. You know what? Now, okay, let's start increasing the interest rate again. And that's when those people are going to use that money and buy back the stocks, bonds, and whatever at the lower prices. On the meantime, okay, once the interest rates, once the interest rate goes to zero, that is when you're going to start to see Bitcoin, Casper, Quant, all of them start to go crazy. That's when we are going to hit that round 5, the banana zone. Like you see that, you're going to see that thing run, and it's not going to be now. Right now, like I said, you're about to see Bitcoin probably hit $80,000, $90,000. Now, that's what you're going to see. And if you go into the Bitcoin chart, okay, you will see that we had a bull flag. The bull flag, that's why I said 48 hours. We have 48 hours because the bull flag, it broke above, went to 69,000, came back, retest that resistance at $66,000, and now is getting ready for the is getting ready for the takeoff. That's what you're about to see. Therefore, everybody who is thinking that, you know what, Bitcoin is going back down to 40,000, maybe not now, guys. We may be going back to 40,000, but that is going to be after the bull run. Okay, and as always, this channel is always transparent. I show you guys everything I do, everything. And that's guys, that's another thing. I had a message on X. I won't get over calling it or Twitter. I had a message on Twitter of what, I don't know, I think maybe the guy has a YouTube channel, and he goes, no, you're doing it wrong. You should not be showing everything. And I go, why not? I feel responsible for my viewers. I feel responsible for everybody who subscribes to my channel. So therefore, if we lose, we lose together. If we gain, we gain together. So I think like people should always be transparent with their viewers. As a matter of fact, I can happily say it here, like, guys, this is not a pump and dump channel, because I'm playing with my money. And the goal is not to play with my money. The goal is to multiply my money. You guys see my positions. I got 4 grand here, I got 7 grand here, I got this and that there. The whole point is that at the end of this run, I will take those accounts to 6 figures. If I do bad, at least I want to be above $500,000. If it does bad, if it does good, yeah, above that, 7, 8, 9, maybe $2-3 million if it does good. If it does bad, I want to be above $500,000, because you guys already know I don't wait for price confirmation. I will close my trades way before Bitcoin tops out, because like I said, I will short Bitcoin, and once I do, you guys will know. You guys will know when I start shorting Bitcoin. Anyways, all that starts in 48 hours. The parabolic move, the journey, should I say it? The journey for Bitcoin, journey to 140 to 160,000 starts in 48 hours. I'll show you guys very quick in a moment. Okay, and now I can also say the journey for Casper, journey to $3, starts in 48 hours. Okay, now after the Gear 4, Casper is about to run. There's a lot of rumors talking about, you know, Casper getting listed on tier 1 exchanges. That is happening. Okay, there is a lot of things showing up. There is exchanges are behaving a little bit different. Like, what are these guys doing? You're seeing exchanges consolidating all their Casper that they used to have a middle excuse me, how they used to have their Casper in different wallets. You start to see them start to put them all in ones. I've seen it happen in a lot of other cryptos. Some, like when you see a Binance about to list a listed project, they usually do that. Okay, they start consolidating their holding into one wallet, and that's how it goes. So looking at them doing that, I see that on Mexi, I see that on Kraken, I see that there's a lot. Kraken has Casper, but it doesn't have it in one big wallet. They have it in different subsection wallets, and now they've begun to kind of put them together. What that tells me, like, yeah, either they're about to list it themselves, or they are getting ready to sell it to another exchange who will list it. Mexi is doing the same thing. So yeah, you guys just get ready. Okay, get ready, look at it. And in another different note, you guys know on this channel we also have some risky assets, which I have mentioned before. Terra Luna Classic is one of them. Luna Classic, Cubic is one of them. Those are two of them that, guys, pay attention to those things. Bitcoin's about to run. I think you might want to, bet on one of them horses. Me particularly, for full transparency, which I already showed you guys, I own Terra Luna Classic and I own Cubic. Cubic, I own it on this experiment mode. I want to see what is going to happen to them, what they're doing. I'm following the team, what's going on over there. Terra Classic, guys, they are about to burn a lot of things. Yeah, it's a very big risk, because Terra Classic, if they can repeg that USDC to $1, it's going to be a monumental failure. Okay, but guys, even though if they don't do that, I think Terra Classic can reach up to 1 or 2 cents this run, and that's something that you can look into and make money from it. For me, yeah, I have almost 78 or almost 80 million coins, which if it gets to a 1 cent, that's almost $800,000. I'll take that and kiss it goodbye. But if the repeg is successful, yeah, I think I might take half of it, leave the rest in there, let it ride to see what happens. Anyways, I only put in $400. That's what I put in there. I didn't put much, so that's what it is. Anyways, now I'm trying to go off topic here. The whole thing I'm trying to tell you guys, like, prepare yourselves. I'm already in my trade, so whatever happens. But in 48 hours, excuse me, let me do this. In 48 hours, you're about to see the market take a drastic turn. Guys, it's about to just like go boom. That's what you're about to see. You're about to see God candles after God candles. Because, like, I looked at Bitcoin chart today and I went like, holy guacamole. Holy guacamole. And let me show you this in a quick. It's not that much. This is my Bitcoin chart, okay, on the daily. And this is what I want to show you guys. See how that it went up above, came back and retest. This is on the daily. Today's day, if Bitcoin should close today above that horizontal resistance, guys, it is, oh, come on. If Bitcoin should close above it, let me reopen it right quick, because this thing is really open something else that I didn't want to open. If Bitcoin should close above that horizontal resistance today, guys, this thing, oh my God, catching on fire would be literally not the description. You're about to see Bitcoin run, and on the same time, you're about to see Bitcoin take the rest of the coins with it. Yeah, so let me bring out my arrow right quick. See, this is what I'm talking about right here. If you can look right there. Hold on a second. I need to get my arrow. Where is that? Okay, let's set this down here. See, this is what I'm talking about. it broke out, came back, retested, and now it's getting ready to go higher. You want to look at it, and again guys, this is a very bullish sign. Okay, when I put it on the 1 hour, you can see perfect retest. Okay, it came in. Oh, I have to move this, so I'm on my mobile anyways. See, retest, now up. Bitcoin is doing exactly that. So anyways, now let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. First of all, we look at King Casper, KAS on Mexi right here. Casper on Mexi, you guys see right quick. Let me go here, zoom out on the 4 hour right quick. Okay, this is better. I will take my arrow all the way down. I don't know why Trading View kind of rearrange everything, but anyways, I told you guys we had this major resistance here. Okay, and what happened? We got rejected. Now I'm expecting this to get back above the ribbon and start to go up, but there is no giving out the possibilities that it might come back down to retest the bottom at 12 and 12.4 cents and then take off from there. Anyways, that is not likely to happen, but it's also part of the plan. It's in there. If Bitcoin comes back down a little bit again on that trade line, that we can see that, but we already seen Bitcoin has already taken off. So I think this is gonna go up, okay, to go retest this major resistance line up here, okay, at 14 cents. That's what I'm expecting to happen in the next few 48 hours or something like that. So yeah guys, it is very important for Casper to take back go back above that 14 cents. And you guys already know Casper usually move different. It moves way different than other coins. When everything else is dumping, Casper usually pump, and when everything is pumping, Casper usually dump. But right now we are waiting for the release of that gigawatt white paper. Other than that, you can see the KRC20, they are going crazy everywhere. Like my miners, I've seen block rewards of 100, 200 Caspers per block. So they are going crazy. So therefore, the ecosystem is picking up. Okay, if you look at it on the daily, not here. Let's go on the daily right quick. On the daily, you can see right now, this is the same thing I used to tell you guys. Look at the ribbon. See, it is already started to spray out. This is a sign of that this reversal is here. We're about to see in 48 hours, see what happens. And now we're about to see it. Okay, we're in this channel, upward channel, and you're about to see this price go above that 14 cents. Once it hits above it, we will try to retest the top of the falling wedge, which is around 15 to 16 cents. Depends on how you drew your lines. So yeah guys, this here, you guys gotta pay attention to it. Okay, you gotta pay attention to it. It's a lot of money to be made, and I hope you are in the boat of those people who are about to make this money. Okay, now let's look at Quant right quick, QNT. So I told you guys yesterday, Quant did something. Let me see USDT. Quant broke the bottom. Okay, the bottom of that bull flag. You guys remember? And I told you guys it wasn't gonna last for long. Okay, Quant was gonna get above it again. As you can see on the 1 hourly, it has already started. Let me pull up my arrow right quick. Man, I hate when they do this. They kind of move your patterns to the way that you wasn't expecting. But anyways, look at that. For the 1 hour, Quant came back, retest, bounce. Look at the ribbon. See what I'm talking about? The ribbon is already curving. Guys, price action has already climbed above the ribbon. Look at the moving average. It's already curving. So the next 48 hours, guys, they are going to be crucial. If Bitcoin start to pump, expect Quant to take off again, and this time we're about to see candles that we haven't seen in a while. Guys, get ready for it. And now look at it on the 4 hourly. Okay, see, on the 4 hourly, we are forming this I think I've mentioned it to you guys before. This triangle, okay, that we've been forming, and it is actually playing out. It is playing out exactly just like I've been saying it. Okay, it is playing really out. Look, it came all the way, touched the bottom of the triangle. Now we're going up to try to touch the top. Look at the ribbon. Again, I know I'm repeating myself a lot, but I don't use rocket science when it comes to my TA. Look at that. It's curving, and now we're going back up again to test the top of the triangle. Okay, the possibility is there of a break it, turn it into support and keep on going. Okay, or because this we see the triangle is almost completed, we probably have like 30 or 30% left for the triangle to finish. It wouldn't be a bad thing to come back down, touch the bottom of the triangle, and then take off from there. But again, seeing what Bitcoin is about to do, you're about to see Quant take off like crazy. And I usually say it, guys, you got to zoom out on Quant. You zoom out on the weekly, you will understand a lot about what is happening. Price dropped, got on the supports. Okay, this is the triangle we're talking about, but zoomed out. You can see that the target here is this right here. Okay, first of all, we need to go 104, then 115, and then the target price right here, $125. That's the beginning of the first line of the fib, and you guys will see it happen before anybody else. So yeah, you've got to pay a lot of attention. Do not get left behind. Now, looking at Jasmine is another one, guys. For me, I will say it again, I'm still a little bit bearish until I see Jasmine go above 2.3 cents, excuse me. But right now, yeah, I like what I'm seeing, guys. I like what I'm seeing, because Jasmine is playing above the moving ribbon. Jasmine is doing that right now. So it all has to be, look at that, we are above the ribbon, then the ribbon has begun to curve. By the way, we're on the 1 hour. Okay, the ribbon has begun to curve. If you go on the, let's go on the 4 hours right quick. 4 hourly right there, look, the ribbon has begun to curve. We tested it, got rejected, we are trying again, and look at that. If I go on the daily, see that we're going sideways, and now we have been testing the ribbon. Tested, got rejected even by the 200 moving average. Tested, got rejected. Now for me, I'm trying to see the price break above these 2.3 cents. That's what we are looking at. Okay, again, just like Quant, you got to zoom out with Jasmine. It's a cup and handle. Okay, the cup and handle that we have going on here, if I take you on the weekly, okay, if I take you on the weekly and zoom, look at that, it's a cup and handle. Cup and handle you have going on right here. The breakout point of this cup and handle is going to be above 4.5 cents, which now if we break out from this falling wedge, Jasmine is looking to retake that 4.5 cents in a very short period of time. Once we do, we go into the golden pocket. Okay, so let me go back here. That's what I'm telling guys, like you have to really pay attention to this. The next resistance, when we break out of this, is going to be that here, 12 cents, which is the target of this bull flag. Okay, but we know that the golden pocket always attract the price, so we're looking at 15 cents. After that, you're looking at 20 cents. 20 cents is a very big resistance, so if you want to take profit, that will be a good place to do it. But for me, I think the top of the bull run for Jasmine is going to be around that 60 to 70 cents. That's what I think. But anyways, time will tell. So let's go here. As you can see, I am ready for it. Okay, I will say it again. You can either 5, 10, or 20x your money, but you have to know what you're doing. Do not get into leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money very, very easily. Now, if you do know what you're doing, the links are below. Sign up using my Bydfi or Phemex links below. You will get free money, guys. They are giving $2,000 to $3,000 if you meet their deposit requirements. Once you do that, start trading. Follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. It don't really matter to me that much. What matters to me is that you make money, and in 6 to 8 months from now, we can sit and and celebrate. That's what matters to me. Okay, so now let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. That's where I keep my season trades that I plan to keep open to the top of the bull run or close to the top as possible. Okay, now let's see. Yesterday, you guys remember my Bydfi, what, 8,200 or something like that. But I told you guys, it is happening. Okay, look at now today. I am still up 8,700 in the overall. That's what I'm still up right there. And if you look at my contracts, you can see here my Casper, it went down to 50%. Yesterday I was down 47 or 40 something percent. Today it went down to 50%, which is okay by me. Okay, 50%, which is I'm still down 2,000, almost 2,300. Okay, and then you look at my Quant is doing way better, because yesterday I think I was down 13%. Today I am still down 9%, which is around $700. Okay, do not do like me, guys. I always tell you guys, unless you know what you're doing, don't trade like me, because I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. See that? 50x. That is why you see my positions, they go up quickly and they also drop a lot when the market is going in the opposite direction. So yeah, do not trade like me unless you do know what you're doing. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. What is that? Phemex right quick. You guys remember yesterday I was down $9,000. Okay, let me put this right here. If you see today, I am still up. Okay, doing pretty good after all. I do have here, I'm up today $10,000. Okay, $10,000. Looking at my contracts, you can see on my Jasmine, I am still down 29%, which is 3,400. And on my Casper, I am also still down 53%, which is 2,200. Again, for me, I don't really care about this stuff, because give it 48 hours, we're about to see this thing looking way better than this. Give it a month or two, you're about to see this turn into positive vibes. And guys, I don't really care about being down 50% when I know that in 2 to 3 months you're about to look at these accounts being up 300-400%. You understand? So that's one thing you got to know. And I think you got to understand something. I trade at a very high leverage, just like I just told you guys. I trade at 50x. Okay, like they say, higher risk, higher rewards. that's what I do. So there you have it, guys. Look out for it. You got 48 hours. In 48 hours, we're about to have a big price action on the crypto market. We're about to have that. So stay ready for that, guys. Do not want to miss on it. I don't trade with stop loss. If you're scared, guys, use stop loss. That's I don't use those. I just open my trades and then I add up to my margin, or I scale up, like however you want to call it. Add up to my margin, making sure that my liquidation is way low. As you guys can see, look at my trades, my liquidations are too low. So even when the market swings, I don't think they're gonna hit my liquidation point. Anyways, there you have it. Okay, guys, get ready for it. 48 hours. 48 hours. I will say it again. We're about to make money. Okay, so that being said, guys, if you are new around here, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, that way you don't miss every time I upload a new one. And again, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, please comment, let me know your opinions, see if I'm crazy, if I'm too bullish, or whatever. So please, guys, subscribe, turn on your notification, and comments. Okay, until I see you in my next one, please take good care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.